Adam and Rachel's 1980s house was fine when they only had their son Spencer. But now with Leo, Jonah, and Natalie,
it doesn't work at all. We have too few bedrooms, too few bathrooms.
The bones of the house are great, the location's great. You know, we just need to do a few things to make it work better.
When I first saw this house, I really fell in love with it. It's so beautiful from the outside.
The neighborhood's great, it's convenient to school, convenient to work.
But now, we need a playroom, we need a mudroom, we need an upgraded kitchen. We have our 3 sons sharing one room.
It would be nice to have more space, I definitely agree.
All right, so we agree there. The bathroom situation upstairs for the kids is basically a disaster. There's only one sink in there for 4 kids. So the boys use our bathroom.
You know, part of growing up is learning how to take your turn and wait.
Oh, Adam and I are not from here. We have many out-of-town guests. Our guest room is also a playroom. The bathroom that our guests have to use is through the family room, almost to the kitchen.
Easy solution. Just have the bathroom connect to the guest bedroom.
Easy? If it were easy, we would have done it already. The other thing about this house is having a detached garage. When we have to come in through our garage when it's raining, the kids come in, they are wet, they put the shoes in the kitchen. It's a wet, dirty mess. This is why we need a mudroom. What you got? Nothing.
I agree.
The kitchen doesn't work. There's not enough prep space. There's nowhere for my kids to sit when I'm in the kitchen. There are 2 islands that barely work.
This is all easy to fix, just redesign.
And let me just point out this. This is broken, okay?
So when we moved in, we renovated our master suite.
That's true.
We've done the living room, but we always knew we'd come back to the kitchen eventually.
Yeah, that was 7 years ago though, honey.
I've done an evaluation on your home. Current value is $595,000.
That seems very low.
Based on current sales. Once there's work done to it, obviously it's gonna increase the value of it.
Okay.
But I need your must-have list to try and pry you away from this house.
It's gonna be hard, David.
All right.
We need at least 5 bedrooms, at least 4 bathrooms, a large master suite so we have enough space, just like we do now. An open and updated kitchen. We need a bonus room for the kids. A mudroom, so we have a place to put our shoes instead of where we put them now, which is on our kitchen island.
It's an interesting choice.
A garage, preferably attached. And we'd prefer to stay in the same school district as we're in now.
Okay. What is the budget for that house?
$825,000.
That feels like the right budget, so let's see what we can do.
All right.
Over to you.
I understand why the house doesn't work, and I can understand your frustration with it. But I think that I can work with this house and give you what you need. But tell me exactly what you want from me to convince you that this house could work.
Okay. Completely renovate the kitchen, create a mudroom, add 2 new bedrooms upstairs, and a 2nd bathroom upstairs because we have a daughter now and she needs her own space.
Absolutely. Understood.
Create a true guest room, renovate the main floor bath, and create a new playroom.
Perfectly reasonable list. What's my budget?
$125,000.
Wow. Okay, so that's going to be a bit of a challenge. We may have to prioritize that list.
4 kids,
Yeah.
only 2 bedrooms for them upstairs.
Yes.
That's the main issue.
That's pretty tight.
You also asked for an extra bathroom, then it makes absolute sense, but the problem is that the budget doesn't meet what you want.
We really need the 2 bedrooms, I think. That's our main need right now.
Yeah.
I think if I can give you the bedrooms that you need for your children and a few other things, when I'm done, you're going to love it.
We'll see.
While she's deciding what she's going to give you and not give you, I'm going to be finding you the perfect house, hopefully exactly where you want it, and the only thing you're to say about this one is listed.
All right.
Nice open space.
Yep.
Looks pretty good.
We're going that way.
This way. All right.
This was a toy room, mostly, with a little bed in there that they use as a guest space. I think this should be the dedicated guest room, and then there's another space that I think will work as a playroom.
Show me.
Before we do that, so if this is a guest room, then we need a bathroom. And it just so happens there is a bathroom, but it's got access off of the kitchen only. If we go through this way, we're going through the existing shower. So we have to find a space so that there's still a shower, and I'll just move things down a little bit so that it will still work for dinner guests.
Yeah, sure.
Bathroom, good. Okay, so that's done. And the playroom can go right out here in the screened porch.
Outside?
Well, no, we'll enclose it. I think it's a much better location because it's right off the kitchen, so she's got sight lines to the kids.
So no kitchen then?
Don't be ridiculous. Of course there's a kitchen. So everything gets taken out of here. I really have to start from scratch, but I would build it from one giant island. And then the double ovens over there, maximum storage all the way around. This will be a great room. And the rest of this main floor works, but that still leaves me with a problem upstairs because we're short 2 bedrooms.
Show me, because we got 3 big items over here. I want to see what's going on up there.
So this is their master bedroom.
Wow, not bad at all, Hilary.
Really nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
And this fabulous space is their closet. Isn't
You don't
it
have to do
gorgeous?
anything in here.
I don't have to do anything in here except turn it into an extra bedroom.
So this is going to be a bedroom?
This would become bedroom number 1 of the extra bedrooms that we need. And to pick up closet space, I'm just going to have to take a little bit away from this bedroom.
You want to cut this room down?
I have to.
It's not going to be so mastery.
I know. So then we've got to figure out where our second bedroom can go. Because I have bedroom, bathroom, bedroom now. So do you want to hear?
Go ahead.
We have to utilize this space and extend it over this double height entry. And that has got to be our second bedroom.
This is actually an improvement, I think.
I agree with you.
No shoes, honey. No shoes.
That's right, the shoes are gone.
So, when we met last time, you agreed when I said I was a little bit stressed with my budget that we could pare things down to 2 bedrooms on the second floor, but not a bathroom as well. You were good with that?
Yes.
That's right.
All right, so I will be utilizing that double height entry to become a bedroom.
We got to put a bedroom somewhere.
That's true.
Bedroom number 2 is more of a challenge because now I'm out of extra space, other than your closet.
I don't think so.
We can pick up closet space within a very large master bedroom that you have right now.
If it's a matter of having 2 of our sons share a room versus give up our closet for every kid to have their own room, I would rather keep our closet. And as long as we don't have 3 boys in 1 room, I think that's the real kind of barrier to this house right now.
Personally, I don't think it's the end of the world to share a bedroom. I shared a bedroom with my sister.
I think that could work.
Yeah.
Now let's talk about this floor. Now, you have a dilemma here because you've got that room tucked away at the back that is doubling as a playroom and a guest area. So I propose that that becomes a dedicated guest room.
But where's the play area?
Well, exactly. So I think this is the solution. Right here.
This would be a great location for a playroom.
I agree. I mean, we'd lose our screen porch, but I think there are things that are higher on the list than a screen porch.
Yeah, and I can actually even arrange an area that would be a mudroom.
I think that would be awesome.
Even better.
Yeah.
Here's the thing. So I picked up some money, obviously, in the budget by not doing that second bedroom upstairs, which is great. And I need that extra money. Because this is a big project. It's still not enough to do this.
There's always a trade-off, I guess. Is that what you're saying?
You guys would have to give me some more money.
I think our budget is pretty firm.
Well, honestly, if you can't give me any more money, I mean, that only leaves one thing. And I'm going to have to pull back on design.
As work continues, Hilary gives Eric the update.
There is nothing that is going to come between her and her closet. So we're down to 1 bedroom. We're only going to do the 1 bedroom over the double height entryway. That's happening.
All right.
Okay? The other big news is the sunroom is staying exactly the way it is. They don't want to
Really?
spend the extra money.
Now that the sunroom's been taken off, the closet's been taken off, you have extra money.
I know.
With the playroom and second extra bedroom off the list, the crew demolishes the small dormer to make space for the new bedroom upstairs. Meanwhile, David has his own challenge from Adam. Find the perfect house in the perfect location.
This location's a little better.
What do you think of the house?
I mean, it's pretty. I don't know if I'm a huge fan of that kind of siding, but
I like the bonus room in this one.
yeah, but it's only 4 bedrooms. Has a cute little front porch.
Nice front porch.
Yeah.
This next house for Rachel and Adam, I think they're gonna like. It's in their school district. The house itself, 4,400 square feet. Nice open concept main floor with a view to a massive screened-in porch. And then you've got 5 bedrooms. It's the perfect setup that they will not have with Hilary. Come on in.
The floors are nice. It's pretty.
I agree.
Anything you don't like about it?
Give me a minute.
You have a formal living room here.
Seems like it would be better used as an office or something
Yeah.
here.
It's an option.
Sure.
So then you have your eat-in kitchen family room combination.
Wow.
This kitchen was made for you, honey.
Oh, do you like espresso?
I like anything with caffeine.
Oh, well, there you go. Knock yourself out.
Oh
Plus, you
my
have
God.
your screened-in porch.
I like this.
That's It's a beautiful backyard. Look at the trees.
And I like this room.
Head back in to where you have your dedicated mudroom.
This is pretty small.
It comes right from the garage, I assume?
Yeah, the garage is right here.
Yep, I like it attached.
I do too. Ooh, this is a good-sized room.
This is going to be your daughter's room.
Yeah.
So she's going to have her own walk-in closet and her own bathroom. She will not be sharing with her brothers.
Oh.
Unless Hilary's giving you an extra bathroom, is she?
Not upstairs.
Didn't think so.
Poof, make one appear.
Good luck with that. Your
Wow.
master bedroom.
This is a great size.
And this is a second floor master too, which we prefer to be closer to the kids.
It's great. I like it. No,
Tell me
this
what you
is
think of
nice.
this one.
I mean, this is nice.
No, yeah, this is not bad at all.
Look, babe, this is really big. Whoa. Oh.
Holy cow.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. It's like an apartment.
They've got their own bathroom. They've got everything that they need.
Oh my God, look how huge this room is.
Oh, there's 2 beds in there?
This is incredible. This is huge.
Yeah, this is really big.
And when your kids come back from college, you can charge them rent.
Excellent.
What do you think this house is listed at?
Maybe $850,000.
What do you think?
$875,000?
This house is listed at $850,000. So it is above budget by about $25,000, and that's before negotiating. But I think if you look at what this house has,
Awesome.
it's worth a little extra.
Looks good now that it's all finished.
Looks awesome. Oh my gosh.
See, I told you it would look good when it's all done.
Looks awesome.
Great, well, are you ready for this?
We're ready.
All right, then let's do it. Come on.
Oh my gosh. Wow. It's our new entryway. What do you think?
I love it.
This looks as though it should always have been like this, doesn't it?
It does.
Yeah.
This is just the beginning.
Oh my God.
Oh,
This is like ideal. I think this is my dream kitchen right here.
this looks amazing.
I'm speechless.
It's like we're in a different house.
All your countertops are quartz. They give you the lovely feeling of veining you'd find in a natural stone, but all of the function of quartz, which when you're cooking is great because you can have the prepping of everything that you need ready to go.
Oh, wow. It's a
looks-
real room.
Yeah, exactly. It looks like an actual bedroom now.
This looks lovely. This is a clearly defined play area.
Yeah.
I mean, the kids can still be in here.
Oh yeah,
You
absolutely.
know?
My parents are gonna love this.
And the one thing that's going to make this really different and truly functional is the ensuite bathroom.
Wow. It's all we needed. This is absolutely beautiful.
Oh my God, it's like another master suite essentially.
Yeah.
We gave up a laundry area downstairs,
Yes.
so we had to put it somewhere.
Wow.
Having the laundry upstairs is such a huge improvement, I think.
I think this makes life easy,
Oh yeah,
especially with 4
totally.
children.
It's perfect.
This is a surprise.
What?
Oh my gosh. What did you guys do in here?
Oh my gosh.
So I could not give you an entirely new bathroom, but you said just upgrade everywhere that you can.
Yes.
So
Well, this is an upgrade for sure.
This door closes.
that closes off because we've now got 4 children sharing a bathroom. So there can be a modicum of privacy between the 2 spaces.
Wow. Yeah.
What a nice surprise.
Awesome.
So the dormer outside. So you ready to take a look now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
This used to be our entryway.
Yes, exactly. Isn't that weird?
It's beautiful.
The best room in the house for a view, huh?
Okay, children of the house, off you go. Take a look inside.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
No adults allowed.
They are gonna love it in here.
It's fun, huh?
It's awesome.
It is fun.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's cute.
Decision made?
Yes.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are going to list it.
Oh my goodness.
Fantastic!
We think in the future our family will just work better in that house.
That house had 4 floors. We have 4 kids who are growing. Natalie would have her own bathroom. But this is so phenomenal in here. This is truly my dream kitchen. I would be sad to leave it.